Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to on fast charging mode in Samsung. So if you want your Samsung phone to charge quickly, then you need to turn on or on the fast charging mode. So here, you will learn how to do that. So if at the end of this, you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to on fast charging mode in Samsung, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on battery. Then scroll down the battery page and then make sure you click on charging settings. Once you selected charging settings, you have two options available here: show charging information, show battery level, and estimated time until full when always on display is off or not shown. Now, to turn on or enable fast charging, all you need to do is go ahead and turn on fast charging. And once enable fast charging, then you're good to go. All you need to do is go ahead, plug your Samsung phone to power source, and your Samsung phone will charge and get to the protection mode level in no time. So that is basically how to on fast charging mode in Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.